Here we have the week 7 members only trading strategy update. The stock that we will be looking at today is Arcadium Lithium. The stock ticker here is ALTM. For members specifically, this trade will now be closed. What we have seen here is a tremendous amount of share price movement in the positive direction, and I will go into why exactly all of this happened here. But I first want to make it clear that everybody that is in this trade, my recommendation here would be to close the position because we've had a tremendous amount of share price gain here. In the members only trading session, what we do is we outline specific trades every week, entry points, profit targets, stop loss levels, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. We cover all aspects of the trade so that even people with the least amount of experience will be able to follow the position and be able to capitalize on these incredible price moves. Needless to say, I mean, a 90% share price gain in 3.5 weeks is just ridiculously amazing. I mean, it's so just, and the amount of time that we've seen this happen. I mean, this is not the first trade that we've seen like this. I mean, these types of gains are truly mind blowing. Just for a little bit of perspective here. If you were to invest in the S&P 500 and leave your money in the S&P 500 for a full year, going back to 1957, the average annual return that you would receive on average would be 10.26%, and that would be from a full year's of trading time. You would have to leave your money in the market for a full year in order to get 10.26% on average, with data going back to 1957. We have now been open in the trading room now for 10 weeks. We're about to move into week 11 here. And several of these stocks have already hit their profit targets. And we're talking about 3 or 4 weeks here. This is abnormal. This is alien level trading. I mean, this is truly incredible, performance return here. I don't even know what to say. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. I mean, these types of gains are simply amazing. That, needless to say, they completely outperform the market. And these are not options trades. These are not trades that include leverage and things like that. These are simple stock plays, and it's very difficult to generate these types of returns with just an underlying share price like this. So, I'm not even sure what to say about this trade specifically. This was a lithium stock, a lithium miner, and the reason that this exploded in the way that it did is because the company is being purchased by Rio Tinto, which is a larger miner. It's one of the biggest miners in the world, metals miner. And the part of the underlying rationale here for entering into this position was the fact that the stock had become so cheap over time that it was likely to now become a takeover target. And if we sort of look at the just the performance here, look at where we caught this trade. I mean, this probably seems like I'm making this up. I mean, if most people made this type of claim to be able to catch the bottom in a stock like this, you shouldn't believe what they're saying. Fortunately, all of this information is completely verifiable. We can go back and check the videos when they were released and things like that. All of this is completely provable that these types of returns did happen and that we did actually catch the bottom during September 8th. This September 8th is when these trading alerts went out. So, I mean, I'm not even sure what to say about this because this is to call stocks like this with this level of accuracy and to see this sort of extreme return in such a short period of time is really alien level trading. And this is not the first time we've done this. We've got several stocks that have either hit their profit targets already or are extremely close. I believe it's week 3, just for the members. The week 3 trade, I think it came within about $1.30 of hitting its price target. Pulled back a little bit from there. It has not quite hit its price target yet. I'm not going to say the name because, I have to sort of keep the names for the members only trading session until the trades are closed. So for this trade specifically, I have no problem, saying which stock it was because this trade is now over. I do think that we should close this trade because this could be a bit of a top here. And I would recommend that anybody that is long this stock get out of the position. Just take the gain. 90% in 3.5 weeks is so far above what should be expected. And we have several trades like this. Currently, there are 9 trades that have been executed here. One of them is slightly trading underwater at the moment. One of them is showing small losses, but we have ways of managing this. And if anybody is worried about that position, we will be scaling into that position. It's down by a very small percentage at the moment, and 9 out of 10 trades are performing just beautifully, just excessive price gains here in very short periods of time. So the reason that I'm making this video and releasing it on the public channel is because this trade is now over. We did clearly catch the bottom here. Part of the rationale for buying into this stock was that the share price had just seen such excessive declines that this was becoming a potential takeover target, and that did happen on Friday. The news came out on Friday. Rio Tinto is buying this company. So and the share price was already moving higher from there. Like even before this news was occurring, there was opportunity to take gains. Even before then. So, another point that I want to sort of reiterate here is nothing on the public channel should be considered a trading recommendation. You could completely disregard it if you'd like. None of those trades are, meant to be taken seriously with real money. I mean, a lot of people are taking positions based on, some of the public channel trading videos that I'm releasing. Those are not trading recommendations in any way. The only trade recommendations that I'm making here are in the members only section. I need to make that very clear because I am taking no responsibility for any trading losses or gains, either way, positive or negative, that people have based on the trading videos that are released on the public side of the channel. Those mean much less to me than the members only section, because this is where the trades really have to make money, and this is where we are significantly outperforming the market. I mean, look at where we caught this bottom here. This is just 1 week. I mean, there are several examples like this. This is not just a one-time, exception type of thing. So, I'm not even really sure what to say about this at this point. I mean, there's nothing that you really can say. Just a perfectly executed trade once again. This has happened several times now. The member section is $9.99 a month. YouTube receives 30% of those payments. So, the payments for the members only section of the channel is an extremely low price. I don't see how I could have made it any cheaper than this. And any one of these trades that we've executed here can easily pay for a full year membership without a problem. So, the membership is designed here to pay for itself. I am not trying to get people to pay me money or anything like that. I can't make it free. I don't think that would make sense either. But I've made it as close to free as I possibly can. And the idea here is for these trades to pay for themselves. So here's just another example of the amazing, outperformance that we're seeing in this stock. Every other stock that I cover on this channel, even the stocks that are moving upward, in my opinion, are incredibly boring. They're not generating much of a return. I think that stuff is amateur hour. This is the real thing that we're looking at right here. So not sure what else to say about this. I'm probably forgetting some things, but Arcadium Lithium, stock ticker ALTM, 90.6% gains here in 3.5 weeks. And this is just one of many more successful, amazing, beautiful trades to come. Congratulations to everybody that got into this trade, and we will see you in the next one. Our High Value Trading Strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market-beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.